Alright, so welcome back again, folks. It's me, Andrew, aka Mr. Creme, together with my beautiful mother, Linda, aka Granny Creme. And today we're going into a blast from the past and something that is close to home and have a historical and cultural significance. What are we making today, mommy?
Well, we're making a Coo Coo Pois.
What?
Coo Coo Pois, or P-O-I-S. That is corn and peas. What it is cocoa and peas mixed together. Now, yes, you cook it together.
Right.
But the peas, the pigeon peas, you cook it with some pumpkin, salt meat. But because we're not sure of the people who might like it,
right,
we're not putting any meat to it.
Right. So
but in our home, we put a little piece of pigtail and this little thing to flavor it. But we're not putting any in this. We're not putting any pigtail.
All right. Okay.
Right. So first of all, we have the peas, the pigeon peas.
Right, so they dry peas.
Green pigeon peas.
Right.
Right. And
but
here
we boil it a little bit.
We boil it a little, right. Now we have to put the pumpkin into the pot, so we have to put that back on the fire.
Oh, we have to put it back to start to cook a little bit.
Right, because the pumpkin has to get a little softened. Because when we mix the pumpkin together with the cornmeal.
Right.
Good.
All right, good. All right, so I'm going to light up here. Nice.
Put the pot on the fire.
Nice.
Now, you put as much pumpkin as you is your flavor. It depends upon you, right? But this pumpkin is so rich and yellow and pretty. What we do, we put a good little bit, to make it rich and nice. It will be moist. The cornmeal and the pumpkin together will make it rich.
I like that measurement you just give, a good little bit.
Yes.
So the measurement of a good little bit
is a handful.
For this
would be about 2 handfuls.
About 2 handfuls of
yes,
this.
But his hand is very big, so I cannot say.
So let me see, and well, you have to watch me, mommy, and let me know if there's a there's a little bit. And there's a good little bit.
Right, so there's a good little bit.
I don't think there is a good. There's a good little bit now.
Right, good. Right.
Right, nice.
So we put this now to boil and soften a bit.
Right, so this has to boil and start to soften. The peas, they have a chance to soften again. The pumpkin, they have a chance to soften. And now it's time for me to start to season the pot, right? Before we add the cornmeal. Right, so we have 1 small onion, about 4 pimentos, and a little bit of hot pepper. The hot pepper is just to scratch the back of the throat a little bit. Right, and we have 2 cloves of garlic here that are just going to quickly just slice. I hope mommy don't vex with me, but it's the young people method. Right, so you take the cornmeal and you whisk in water. So this way now, it keeps it smooth. Alright, a smooth consistency, and you wouldn't get any sort of lumps. Right? You wouldn't get any lumps and whatnot. I'm saying no lumps, but like I'm making more lumps than anything else. Oh God, I need more water. Pressure. Right, and some more water. And you use the water. You mix it so you get it nice and smooth. Right? So now you come and add the green seasoning, onions, pimento, garlic, and that little bit of hot pepper. We'll add that to the pot. We'll add our coconut milk 1 time. As the pot comes back up to a boil, right, because I don't have a palette now, I'll use the pot spoon, make a little vortex, and gently start to add the cornmeal. See, as you start to add the cornmeal, see it will start to thicken. Stir, you scrape the bottom. And allow a chance for the cornmeal to hydrate. And as we stir and we agitate, you can see some of the flecks of the pumpkin running through. Right, just a lumps or anything like that. So what we'll do now is give this a light. We'll partially cover it and we'll check it back in about 10 minutes. Right, and give him a chance. Aha! You see how he started come through here already? Right? Come. And you see how he started tighten. We'll cover him down. About 15 to 20 minutes later. Coo Coo. Good. So, mommy, but I didn't expect you to hold the pot. Come darling. Scrape him out before me. Right.
Nice.
And a little bit here again.
Looking nice.
Good action. So make sure and settle. No, that ain't nothing. You good ready? Right, you good ready? We set them out ready. Tastes nice one, huh? Your tongue make from steel, darling?
Do it, I'll take a little bit.
Right. Smooth out the top.
That is Coo Coo Pois. Yeah, I don't have to cook too long.
Nah. The kind of food they cook in here, I know they cook for the next week. And there you have it, folks. The original Coo Coo Pois. Cuckoo,
Corn and
right? Corn and pigeon peas.
You saw the cornmeal give it a nice color. Very cornmeal pumpkin.